9,000 years ago, somebody killed a mammoth on a stretch of flat land in New Mexico. That same ground is still there today. And just 40 miles from it, there's a 2-bedroom house on the market right now for less than the price of a used pickup truck. Everybody talks about Texas. Everybody talks about Florida. Almost nobody talks about New Mexico. Tonight, we're taking you through 10 real homes in 10 real towns, priced from $69,900 all the way up to $280,000. But keep watching, because the order here isn't just cheapest to priciest. Somewhere around house number 7, something changes, and the very last home on our list isn't the biggest one at all. It's actually one of the smallest. But once you see what comes with it, you'll understand exactly why it costs what it does. We'll get there. Let's start with the most affordable home on the list. Hashtag House 1, $69,900. 715 N Avenue N, Portales, New Mexico. Our most affordable property tonight. A manufactured home with its own car porch and garage space. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Just over 1,000 square feet on a third of an acre. This isn't a house that needs 6 months of work before you can move in. This is a home that's ready the day you get the keys. And there's more to this town than the price tag. Portales sits on the high plains of eastern New Mexico, and just outside town is a place called Blackwater Draw, one of the most important archaeological sites in North America. Scientists have found mammoth hunting sites here dating back over 9,000 years. People were hunting Ice Age giants on this very ground long before the pyramids were ever built. Today, Portales is peanut country. This part of the state grows more Valencia peanuts than almost anywhere else in the country, and it's the nation's leading producer of certified organic peanut butter. Eastern New Mexico University keeps the town lively, and the downtown square, built in the old Spanish style, is still very much in use. $69,900 for a home with its own garage. That's where our list begins. But just $5,000 more buys something a little different. Hashtag House 2, $75,000. 217 West 14th Street, Portales, New Mexico. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 888 square feet on a quarter-acre lot, with a green front lawn that welcomes you before you even reach the door. Out here on the dry plains, a lawn like that tells you somebody has taken real care of this home. This is exactly the kind of house a lot of first-time buyers dream about. Nothing overwhelming, nothing urgent, just a comfortable home in a town with one of the lowest costs of living anywhere in the state. Portales downtown centers on that same Spanish-style town square, anchored by the 1930s Roosevelt County Courthouse, built during the Great Depression and now listed on the National Register of Historic Places. 2 homes in, and we're still under 6 figures. That's about to change. Hashtag House 3, $100,000. 1001 York St. Clovis, New Mexico. Watch what $100,000 buys here. A brick exterior home for bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 3,466 square feet, with a complete floor plan already included in the listing. That's a remarkable amount of house for the price. In a city of nearly 40,000 people, Clovis has its own place in history, and it goes back even further than Portales. This town gave its name to the Clovis culture after distinctive stone spear points were discovered here in 1929, dated to roughly 13,000 years old, among the oldest solid evidence of human life anywhere in North America. There's a modern side to this town, too. Cannon Air Force Base, home to elite special operations units, sits just outside city limits. And back in the 1950s, Buddy Holly and Roy Orbison recorded some of their biggest hits right here at Norman Petty's recording studio, a legacy Clovis still celebrates with its own music festival every year. A 4-bedroom brick home with a full floor plan for $100,000 in a city with that much history behind it. Hashtag House 4, $110,000. 700 Newcomb St., Las Cruces, New Mexico. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 1,564 square feet. This listing already reflects a $5,000 price drop, and inside you'll find a wood panel living room with real, lived-in character. It's an honest fixer-upper. Nothing falling apart, just a home waiting for someone to finish what the last owner started. Here's something a lot of people don't know about Las Cruces. It's the second largest city in the entire state, home to New Mexico State University, sitting in the shadow of the dramatic Organ Mountains just 10 miles away. The name Las Cruces means the crosses in Spanish, tied to an old story about wooden grave markers near the original town site. And a short drive from this house is White Sands Missile Range, the actual location where the world's first atomic bomb was tested back in July of 1945, a fixer-upper for $110,000, in a city carrying that much weight in its own backyard. House 5, $114,900. 1312 Coyote Road, Clovis, New Mexico. Back to Clovis. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,232 square feet. But this time, the house isn't really the story. The land is. A full acre comes with this property, along with a covered front porch to sit on and take it all in. A full acre of your own ground in a farming and dairy town at this price is getting harder to find every year. Clovis is surrounded by thousands of acres of ranch and farmland, and between agriculture and the Air Force Base, this local economy has stayed remarkably steady. If you've ever wanted room to breathe, with no fence just a few feet from your window, this is that kind of property. House 6, $125,000. 625 South 5th Street, Raton, New Mexico. Now we head north into the mountains, and things get more unusual. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,350 square feet, with genuinely unique castle-like architecture. 1 bathroom is currently under renovation, but that might be the least interesting thing about this house. Raton sits at the base of Raton Pass, a route used for centuries first by Native Americans, then by Spanish explorers, and later by wagon trains on the Santa Fe Trail. When the railroad arrived in 1880, this town became a booming coal, ranching, and rail hub almost overnight. Amtrak's Southwest Chief still runs straight through downtown today. And here's something you won't find in many towns. In the hills above Raton, geologists have identified the exact boundary layer in the rock tied to the asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. That layer sits just a few miles from this $125,000 home. We're halfway through tonight's list, and it only gets more interesting from here. Hashtag House 7, $176,333. 1410 N. Corbin St., Silver City, New Mexico. For the first time tonight, we're past $150,000. For bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,368 square feet, marketed as a great starter home, and it lives up to that. Clean, well kept, and ready to move into. Now, here's the moment I promised you at the start. This is Silver City, and it may be the most storied town on our entire list. A teenage Henry McCarty, the boy who would grow up to become the outlaw Billy the Kid, spent part of his childhood right here, arrested twice on these same streets years before he ever fired a shot in anger. The town sits at the edge of the Gila National Forest, home to the Gila cliff dwellings, built into the rock by the Mogollon people roughly 700 years ago. These days, Silver City has reinvented itself as an arts town. Galleries, murals, and a university now fill the same streets a young outlaw once walked. A starter home for under $180,000, sitting on top of that much history. 3 homes left, including the one we've been building toward all night. Hashtag House 8, $220,000. 5 Weston Avenue, Reserve, New Mexico. This next home is built for a large family. 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,705 square feet. Listed with a $19,900 down payment. A rustic log cabin style home where every single bedroom fills up and it still doesn't feel crowded. Reserve is the county seat of Catron County, one of the least populated corners of the entire state. This is the actual town where, back in 1884, a 19-year-old deputy named Elfego Baca single-handedly held off dozens of armed cowboys for 36 straight hours, a standoff still talked about here today. The surrounding hills hold centuries-old Mogollon and Anasazi ruins. A 6-bedroom log home for $220,000 in the same small mountain county where that legendary standoff took place. House 9, $275,000. 604 Galisteo Avenue, Raton, New Mexico. Back to Raton for our second most expensive home tonight. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,405 square feet. A beautiful white stucco home in the Spanish and Southwestern style, with a green yard framing the front. Raton's downtown historic district holds dozens of buildings on the National and New Mexico historic registers, and every summer the town comes alive for its arts festival and hot air balloon rally. A polished southwestern home for $275,000 in a town that still wears its frontier history proudly. One home left, and it's the one we've been waiting for. House 10, $280,000, the most expensive on the list. 87 Deer Trail Road, Datil, New Mexico. Here it is. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,680 square feet. Smaller, in fact, than several homes we've already seen tonight. So why is this the most expensive property on our entire list? 15.05 acres. That's why. Datil is barely a town at all. About 50 people call home. It sits at the edge of the Cibola National Forest, close to the Very Large Array, the massive radio telescope dishes made famous in films about deep space. The town's name comes from the Spanish word for date, inspired by the fruit-like seed pods on the local yucca plants. For more than a century, this exact stretch of land was part of the old Magdalena stock driveway, where cowboys once pushed cattle 100 miles toward the nearest railroad. $280,000 doesn't buy the biggest home on our list tonight. It buys 15 acres of land, a wooden cabin, and a sky so dark that scientists chose this very spot to listen for signals from space. The most expensive home isn't the most impressive one. It's the one with the most room to disappear into. 10 homes tonight, from $69,900 to $280,000. A garage for the price of a used truck. A prehistoric hunting ground. An outlaw's childhood street. A 36-hour standoff. And 15 acres under some of the darkest skies left in America. Every one of these is a real, active listing in a state most people drive straight through without ever stopping. So take a look and ask yourself, which one of these would you actually call home? We'll be back next week with another state, another list, and 10 more homes worth talking about. Thanks for spending this time with us.